1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Cologne Super Sport here at MGM Classic Cars. This Chevelle has recently gone through a full frame-off restoration, finished in Cortez silver with eye-popping red interior. This car has a brand new rebuilt 396 motor. As you can see, headers, aluminum Edelbrock performance intake, power steering, beautiful setup, very super nice and clean with the aluminum radiator, four-wheel disc brakes as well. Just look how nice and ready that is for the car shows. Beautiful grille, brand new, all the trim, chrome, American racing wheels. You got the cross-drilled disc brakes, very, very straight body. Factory doors on the car, beautiful panels, all new weather stripping. Inner outer jams are great. Door sill plates replaced. Look at this eye-popping red interior, guys. Beautiful dash, sun visors, excellent console with clock. Factory appearance radio, as you can see there. Just a really, really clean setup. And like I said, very straight body, beautiful paint. Yes, four-wheel disc, okay. Beautiful trunk, all new weather stripping. The quarter panels appear to be original on both sides. Okay, just a beautiful finish. Excellent rear chrome bumper. All the emblems are brand new. Man, the car sits perfectly on these American racing wheels. And again, circling back, all the trim glass, super nice. Circling back to this showpiece here in the front of the car. Let's fire it up. I want you guys to hear it. Look how crisp and clean the lenses are. Like brand new from 1966, guys. Clock works. Wow. Yeah, baby. Love it. So if you're looking for financing, not a problem. You will need $7,000 down with good credit. You can also add and roll in your sales tax and your delivery charges as well, if need be. We keep that payment nice and low, very affordable, again, with good credit. So you can go grab that credit app at mgmclassiccars.com, upper right-hand corner. If you need delivery, please call or text. I prefer text. My text number is area code 847-848-1850. Just text me your make and model, which car you're looking at, and your zip code, and I will get you a quote right to your driveway, guys. Thank you for watching MGM Classic Cars. My name is Thomas. Please check out my collection here at mgmclassiccars.com. We own over 185 beautiful cars. Thanks for watching.